We're taking a short hike because I owe these guys a short hike. We're gonna drive over to the tail end of the bay. Gonna walk maybe 2 miles at most, 1 in, 1 out. And we're gonna use all this gear we haven't tried yet. Yeah, so if you're out by the bay tonight and you see us walking, just wave, okay? Because yeah, I'm gonna be super embarrassed. All right.
It's very windy, so we're gonna try this.
Yeah,
it might work.
Product reviews to follow.
We're tired of trying to take the wind out with the video editing software.
So we're definitely not over prepared.
Are you sure?
That was sarcasm.
I switched the king fruit for the yummy yummy because I don't think the king fruit will be that useful, and now I'm doing chakra stuff. Also, I have the best chakra dealing. Look at mommy. Nah, don't really care. I have the.
right, so we're kind of a spectacle here today, huh?
Oh my gosh. You know what I think we need?
What?
I think we need a big sign for the tripod that says quailsnail.com. Like and subscribe. Because people are definitely interested in what we're doing.
What are we doing out here?
Well,
it was really cool to have the big lens, this
Yes.
one on that camera, so that we
Yes.
could film those pelicans in this light.
How far from those pelicans are we, do you think?
At least a football field or more.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so we weren't able to get super close up to them, but they were still, you definitely had a great view.
Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
I can't wait to see the photos.
all we're doing is panning back and forth with this thing, though, so maybe that's not going to be exciting.
Well, maybe we got something great here on film.
Film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what would you say about carrying this setup out here? We walked, what, a mile, did we decide? A mile and a half? Mile and a quarter?
We took a half hour to walk 1 mile, so we walked a little bit more than that.
Okay.
And it was not bad.
Okay.
I mean, it's not a light tripod. It's aluminum.
You
All right.
You can't steal one from them.
But you know,
It's
I think all we're missing now is this sign.
But I'm really happy. I could hear the boys sitting here when I was recording the boys. I could really hear them with that microphone, even through all this wind.
I feel confident you're going to be hearing them now too.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that they're going to be on this too.
Yeah.
Maybe they want to come say hi. I don't know.
I doubt it.
No.
I feel like anyone who has kids is used to operating in these conditions. So.
Yeah, and I think my hair is doing what the wind thing is doing.
It's
pretty
like
well.
a hair indicator. I
Yeah.
went for the hat. Yeah.
I probably should have gone for the hat. That was a smart move.
Yeah.
And now I'm seeing the sunset light hitting your hair. It's awesome.
So pretty out
So
here.
pretty.
Yeah.
And we're only going to get that chance this 1 minute here.
What was it you were saying? Sunset happens just once a day?
Okay, that's good.
Wisdom.
You only get the sunset light 1 time a day.
Oops, sorry.
So-
I'll share my hat with you.
You only get the sunset light 1 time a day.
It's true.
Yeah.
And it was worth it. It was worth it to try out this lens, to see these birds, to let the children run around like wild things.
And yeah, I'm just looking at that light on the birds now and thinking maybe we should film them a little bit more tonight.
I think if we're going to get back to the truck with sun, we better pack it up.
Oh,
I'm sure what you have is amazing, and we're not that far from home. We could come back.
true.
So where are we exactly? We're on the San Francisco Bay Trail. We're in the Don Edwards Bird Sanctuary, I believe. I'll have to look that up. And we're not very far from Shoreline Amphitheater. We'll put a link to the Trailhead map because this was a very easy walk. You could ride your bike, you could ride a scooter, you could push a stroller. Super easy, even for families with little kids. And it's just a great walk the whole way.
So if you thought all this extra stuff that we brought was worthwhile,
For sure.
let us know in the comments down below.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe.
How much do you think this rig weighs? How much did you carry out here?
I think I carried probably a good 25 pounds of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you disappointed you didn't have that on our Fall Creek hike?
I think it would be great on the Fall Creek hike if we
Stayed near the river.
didn't go up or down hills.
All right.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, and
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Quail Snail.
All right. Awesome
Cool.
job. See you next time.
Bye.
Quail Snail. Like and subscribe and hit that bell icon and to never miss another video. Like and subscribe, hit the bell icon, never miss another video. Do it right now.
Do you think Daddy should
Or
carry
else.
this gear for all
Or
of
I'll
our
steal your
shoots?
cookies. No. Not really. Zoom in. Not really.
Not really. No, you can't travel to people's homes and steal
Do
their
that again, Miles.
Oh man.
Hang on. Wait. 3, 2.
Noah, stop.
Oh, I gotta zoom in on you.
I want to leave.
cookies. We're getting ready.
Miles, ready? Stay in one spot and then 3, 2, 1. Oh, you gotta do it again. Went the wrong way. 3, 2. A little harder. A little harder this time. This time with feeling. Do it one more time. There you go. All right, one more time without us making noise. 3, 2. Oh, we got it.
We're gonna need to give you some headache medicine.
I have a headache.
All right.
Wait! Like how later?
What do you think? 3 a.m., 4 a.m.?
What about 9 you start book time? How about we stay up till about, can we stay up till 9? I think 1 a.m. sounds good. Can we do 1 a.m.?
We gotta get back to the car. We gotta do treats.
Should we have a little bit of extra